Here we go. So here's the question. They're asking us select all of the following graphs which represent y as a function of x. Now, what are they talking about? How do you look at a graph? We're looking at graphs here. How do you look at a graph? And there's more below that. How do you look at a graph and decide if y is a function? Well, y is a function of x. How do you know that? Right here. This is from the notes. Again, here is the exam number 1 notes, which are at the top of the Unit 1 module in our Canvas course shell. So it says function vertical line test. Given a graph, if every vertical line hits the graph in at most one place, then it is a function. So if every vertical line hits it at most one place, then it's a function. Well, let's give that a try. So there's a vertical line that hits 2 points. So not a function. Here's a vertical line that hits 3 places. So it's not a function. So the answer is y is a function of whenever y is a function of x when every vertical line hits at most one place on the graph. You only want the vertical lines to hit one place. You don't want the vertical lines to hit more than once. I know that seems like kind of a weird rule. I'll explain why in a little bit, but for now, let's just get used to doing it. That's the rule. So the first one's a no, the second one's a no, but the third one's a yes. See the third one? Every vertical line only hits one time. Yes, it is a function. So we would check that box. It wants you to select all of the ones which are a function. So I would select this one. This one's a yes. Why? Because every vertical line only hits the graph at most one place. That's what you want. How about this next one? This one's okay too. This one's going to be a yes. Why? Because every vertical line, if I do vertical lines, straight vertical lines, they're only going to hit one time. It's got to be perfectly vertical lines. See how every vertical line only hits one place on the graph? Yes, it is a function. So you want every vertical line to only hit one place. How about, there's a couple more. How about this? Yeah, this is a good one. See how every vertical line only hits one place? Yes, that's a function. And the last one, yes. That one's a function. So the graphs that are functions are the graphs where every vertical line only hits one place. So these top two were no, because vertical lines were hitting more than once. So that's all we got to do, and you can use the notes for that. That's called the vertical line test.